If I told you what is the most destructive thing in this universe, yeah, many people would say it's a black hole, and it is. So, could it be actually used as infinite power source? Yep, it could be. It is not science fiction, it is real physics. So, what is the craziest part about it? You don't have to go inside it to steal the energy. Okay, first we have to understand what a black hole actually is. A black hole is formed, let me just show you. I guess you won't understand like this, right? So, a black hole is formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. So, there are stages of like becoming a black hole. First, there is like stellar cloud with protostars. These are just baby stars in which nuclear reaction isn't taking place in the nuclear core. I mean, nuclear core isn't started yet, so it can take two paths. Either it can become a small star or it can become a large star. Small star will become a red giant, which our sun is gonna become in like few thousand years, and a large star would become a red supergiant. Then a red giant would become a planetary nebula, which would like give growth to other planets, or a red supergiant will become supernova. Then this planetary nebula, when gets concentrated into over a period of time, it becomes white dwarf. And this supernova, when like it gets concentrated, it become either a neutron star or a black hole. So when this not sun, the star collapsed under its own gravity and blasted into a supernova, it became a black hole. All right. So it is very dense in nature, as all the gravity gets collected into a single point. This point is known as point of singularity, POS. We would talk about it. We would talk about it a lot in this video. So yeah, this is a important topic. All right. Mm, this POS is so dense that even light cannot escape. The photon, which is traveling with 299792458 meter per second, which is 3 into the 10 to the power 8 speed of light, gets sucked in inside the point of singularity by a black hole due to its immense density. This density causes space-time framework or matrix to bend, and this is what it looks like, or how Einstein explained it. I'm just like, yeah, copying his words. Mm, yeah, first you have to study in order to like create something value of your own. Yeah, that's what my mastery video was about. Okay, so if you cross this point of not point of singularity, if you cross this event horizon, if you like saw movies like Interstellar, this is very colorful part, and like everything is so good around it, like true cinematography shows in while a black hole plays on the TV. So if you cross this if you cross this event horizon, make sure that you carry your grave or like anything, not grave, maybe wood or any, or what do we call it? Um, sorry, I'm going off topic, but yeah, like Indians burn their bodies, right? So yeah, carry something to like dispose your body. So yeah, don't cross this. Stay at home. Don't try this at home. Okay. So this is point of singularity. This super dense part. This is event horizon. This is this is attention disk. This is relativistic jet, which causes like black hole to be in this pattern. This is event horizon, and this is like attention disk, and this is like particle of yeah, whatever, realistic jet. You all are getting bored now. It is very like, if you pay attention, it is very interesting. Don't get bored, bro. Um, what is okay? Now, how are we gonna generate energy from it? So this is event horizon and this is ergosphere. This ergosphere is very important. Please pay attention to this. This is place where we are gonna like steal energy from that big black hole. Okay, jokes aside, this is point of singularity, and yeah, this is how a black hole looks like. Don't Everything that goes near a black hole is doomed for real. So first uh, method to like gather energy from a black hole was Penrose process in 1969. This was given by Roger Penrose. His pen had a rose, so his father named him Penrose. Maybe. Bad jokes. I won't even edit the sound here because I'm a student and I'm busy. Maybe in doom scrolling. Um, okay, back to the topic. So this is the first method. So there is an output particle which goes inside the ergosphere and then it booms into two parts. First part goes inside like the event horizon, and that part is doomed. It has of no use. Like we are studying civil in second semester, just like that, it has no use in our future. This part would be tata bye bye, and this part would go further. It would escape the black hole and it would escape with greater energy. So the particle, which is parent particle we call it, would have greater energy than we applied while it went in. Yeah, so this is how we stole energy. The energy is increased, so we stole energy from the black hole. So even is greater than E naught, which is the output energy of parent particle is greater than output particle. So this totally works on rotation. How when you like rotate, it steals the energy from rotation of a black hole. All right. Imagine you are in a like circular train track and you're sitting in a train and you have a rock and you throw that rock. So when you throw that rock, it would have the kinetic energy of the train plus your energy you applied. So boom. So many like scientists or people who studied physics in there to crack JEE and NEET and still didn't crack it would say that. However, energy would decrease, right, Sarthak? Yeah, it would. But you're not in Earth, right? You're in black hole and you escape the black hole, so there is no gravity, there is zero gravity, so there is no G, no Earth gravitic field, black hole gravitic field, or because it is just escaped. Alright, so yeah, potential energy wouldn't work, only kinetic energy, pure kinetic energy would be there. All right. Should I? No, I shouldn't show my face right now because I have prepared this notes just for this. Second is Stephen Hawking theory, which is known as Hawking radiation. Yeah, this guy is same from the Epstein files. It's a joke, all right. Don't mind it. He's a big guy. He has many famous theories. He has written a book known as Theory of Time. Make sure to read that. It has crazy mind bending like stuff. It would just encourage you to like pay attention in my classes. Just kidding. I don't take classes. So black. He said that black hole aren't black. Yeah, weird stuff. And if you zoom to the quantum level, he said that near the edges of black hole, it like constantly form particles. Some of the particles get stuck in, some escapes with even greater energy. It is same as Roger Penrose, but they are already being created by the black hole itself. We just need to use those particles. Maybe like Albert Einstein said about white holes, we don't know where these particles come from, but yeah, these are particles. So this is how a black hole slowly evaporates, because more particles goes out then more particle goes in. So slowly black hole dies, everything dies. Third method is very interesting, which is black hole bomb. This is the most realistic method we have like got ourselves into. And after I am dead, I want human civilization to like gather energy from the black hole. So if I ever had my future generation, they could live without thinking that we are destroying the planet. Yeah. So this is a black hole bomb. It is simply like we went to that Indian amusement parks which have this mirror houses or mirror maze where you get trapped inside. So we're gonna trap a black hole inside this mirror maze and then shoot a particle. So this particle would be constantly speeding off like this Penrose process, gonna speed off from the exosphere, and then it gonna bounce from that like mirror ball into exosphere again. Then it gonna constantly multiply the energy. So this creates a feedback loop and black hole becomes a energy amplifier. So easy, right? Not so easy still. This is known as I mean, we can copy the concept of Dyson sphere from the movies and all. Okay, so black hole bomb is done. These are the only three methods. If you like guys come for interesting method, yeah, you can do a patent for that. So we realized that black hole aren't cosmic destroyer. Let me just get my camera straight. Oh, I wasn't recording, but I like completed my outro. So let's start again. So black hole aren't cosmic destroyers. They might become very powerful batteries to power up our civilization. So an advanced civilization, which we are gonna be in future if nothing destroys us, and we don't keep fighting over political issues and work together as a team, and there is no such capitalist thing and everyone cares about the standard of living we live in, we can actually become a super civilization. We could literally power like entire galaxies with just one black hole. So next time you hear a black hole, don't just think of destruction. By the way, when I speak of politics, don't declare me anti-nationalist. Just a joke again, just a joke. Okay, calm down. uh, yeah, calm down. So uh, when you hear of black hole, don't think of destruction. It it can power unlimited energy from it, and maybe future is maybe black hole energy. And subscribe for such holy mind-bending science. And if you like to like hear me yapping all about this stuff, I can do other stuffs too, like yap about some thoughts, like people from anime or anything, any trending topic. Just tell me and it's done. And it's gonna be long video because it has a lot of explanation. So thank you and bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, that's how we say it. Yeah, I don't have a proper intro or outro. So what you gonna do about it? Because I'm going to college and I have a lot of work and I have to prepare assignments and things. I would pay attention to YouTube as well. You can follow my Insta. I would like, if I could, I would drop my Insta account down below. It has just memes and bullshit. I hope, uh, I hope my teacher doesn't remove this video because I'm like using this video as an assignment too. Yeah, I have interest in this, but yeah, I'm doing this for my assignments because I said like a lot of jokes and yeah, I sweat one time. I mean, that was a kid's, but yeah. Hope you don't remove this video. Okay. Good luck with your journey ahead. Bye bye.